The MINROW expression is in the category Other and has a result of a reference data type. The purpose of this expression is to return the row with the lowest value in a column. The MINROW expression has up to 3 parameters. The first 2 are the dataset and column that you want to search. The column needs to be in the dataset, and both of these are text values. The final is an optional parameter. This is a yes or no expression that will evaluate if a row should be considered. The result is the key value of the row that has the lowest value in the specified column. Let's look at an example. Here we can see the MINROW expression. We're pulling the work order table and specifically the work order total. This means we're searching the work order total column in the work order table to find the lowest value. However, we're stipulating that it needs to be within the first 3 months of the year, because month is less than 4. So if there's a work order total that happened in the 4th, 5th, 6th, or so on months, it won't be considered for this specifically. I hope that this was helpful. If you would like to learn more, we invite you to check out appsheettraining.com.